I am happy that my CryptoQ media channel is back online. This movie is going to be filled with anecdotes about XRP's price behavior. In the first, the venture platform predicts that XRP's price would increase in the coming 6 to 12 months. Regardless, I'll tell you this, maybe they're entirely genuine and their beliefs are well founded. This needs to be made fun of. I feel compelled to make light of their perspective. I have to finish this assignment. You will get the reason behind this once we start the video. Throughout my 7 years of experience in the cryptocurrency industry, I've heard many lament, last chance to buy XRP at these prices. Now we have this one from the Crypto Amazing expert claiming that the Dunchin channel breakout has made this the final opportunity to purchase XRP. The catch is that, eventually, everything does happen. Think about how low the market got during the last cycle, 10 cents. Yeah, all the way down to 1011 cents, the lowest point in the market. In terms of this market cycle, that was hardly the bottom. The lowest price we got was 28 cents. That was correct when it was said. That was the last time, in fact. If this is going to be a real bull run, it will also be true here. XRP's value will skyrocket. It is my expectation that price discovery will achieve new all-time highs. Bubble territory describes that region. Someday, that bubble will pop. Not only will prices fall, but they will touch rock bottom compared to the previous cycle. That was something I would have expected. I won't lie and say that I do price predictions. If I'm mistaken, then I'm mistaken. However, in general, that would be my expectation. Following that, XRP's price could reach 95 due to its exponential growth, similar to Netflix stock. Interesting points of view and analysis regarding the topic. I have some mocking to do starting with this first component, as I indicated earlier. In my opinion, this case justifies it. I think the mockery is justified. Nevertheless, if I'm mistaken, please tell me. Upcoming Trends Capital, a venture capital platform, recently made XRP and other important asset price predictions for the next 6 to 12 months. Particularly, XRP has struggled to recover to the level the platform had anticipated. However, trends show that between April and November of 2025, the price of XRP will ultimately reach 1. You got it perfectly. My goodness. This makes me very happy. 1 ripple, 1 oh my. No, I don't think it will end at 1. However, if you informed me, we could remember those as the real high moments. So, when it starts moving there, I'll be happy. The unexpected 1 price of XRP is really worrisome. In such a case, I would ask myself that very question. Nevertheless, you can find their Vex post here. Thus, they anticipate that Bitcoin will reach 100,000 during the next 6 to 12 months. Predictions indicate that the expected flood of capital into the cryptocurrency market will solely go into XRP, pushing its value to 1. This flood of capital is known to cycle into other large caps, mid caps, small caps, etc. I can't believe that. Are you serious? Therefore, I think this is just about plausible, and the only way XRP can stay below 1 is if alt season doesn't happen. But it's amazing to realize that a different season is already being planned. While Bitcoin and all coins are expected to run, XRP's disappointing 1 price point is perplexing. Despite my lack of charting skills, I have seen numerous reputable XRP chart analysts that have accurately predicted XRP prices for years. They couldn't be more in agreement. Rupee has remained stable within a symmetrical triangle for almost 7 years. As a result, prices have been moving more closely together, but ultimately, and I'm not a sharky, but I do know this asymmetrical triangle typically breaks before it reaches its peak. When it happens, will it be easy to tell? Have you any idea if it will travel uphill or downhill? I would be bold enough to predict that the market will keep going up as long as we are in a bull market, which I believe we are. No matter how crazy you think I am, I will still make fun of them. This is really confusing to me. This is total hogwash unless there is a full season. Since they already have Ethan 6000 on hand, it appears that they aren't relying on that. It is ridiculous that Bitcoin functions when altcoins do not. I will not make any price predictions since I simply cannot bring myself to invest in this. Since acting is obviously not my strong suit, it would be dishonest of me to pretend otherwise. I think the pie will continue to expand, and that's true whether I put my money into the stock market or cryptocurrency. Over the long run, markets benefit from widespread exposure, so it's no surprise that numbers rise. This is crypto land, and it's the same. That is why I also brought crypto exposure. I have 42 different cryptocurrencies in my portfolio, however XRP is the most valuable one. Although I often refrain from making predictions, I cannot ignore the fact that XRP is built upon such strong principles. The market will figure out it's cheap, in my view, eventually. Hence, I shall refrain from providing a prediction. If XRP doesn't set a new record for enterprise discovery this alt season, then what the fuck? I don't see how this could happen unless there's some unexpected, XRP specific disaster, like a glitch rendering the cryptocurrency unusable. That being said, my XRP bet is still a binary one. Perhaps XRP does truly reach zero and I am totally mistaken. Ultimately, we will set a new standard for business discovery, and I refuse to accept a 0% probability of that happening. Our position is absolutely correct, in my opinion. A change will occur if nothing changes. The fact that it hasn't happened yet doesn't mean it can't happen. We will not be able to stay in this range forever. My head is spinning. Appreciating my video is a privilege. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. Later on, I shall see you.